Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be show you how to fix app appearance not showing in Snapchat in 2022. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply open Snapchat, then tap on profile icon. After that you have to tap on settings, and then let me show you here. It's not showing in my Snapchat. To fix this, what you have to do is just go back and open settings in your phone, and from here you have to tap on app management, then tap on app settings and search for Snapchat. Just tap on this, then tap on storage and cache. Just simply clear cache and clear storage. After doing this, what you have to do is just simply go back and then tap on permissions. So you can see I have allowed all the permissions. If you don't, then what you have to do is just simply allow our permission from here and check whether the problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is just open Play Store or App Store. Then what you have to do is just simply search for Snapchat. So you can see here it's appearing here open. If it's showing update, then what you have to do is just simply update this one and check whether a problem has been fixed or not. So after doing all the things, your problem is still not fixed, then what you have to do is just simply tap on I need help, then tap on contact us. So from here what you have to do is just tap on I need help with a Snapchat feature, and from here you have to tap on settings. So just simply put your username here and put your email which is connected to your Snapchat account or an active email, and just simply type something here for your problem. Hello Snapchat team, I don't have app appearance option in my Snapchat. So please enable this. Thank you. After getting this one, just simply tap on send, and your request has been submitted, and you can see here you should receive a confirmation with your case number at the email address provided. If you contacted us about a bug or suggestion, our team appreciate the input but may not be able to respond to every report we receive. So after 24 hours you will receive an email for fixing your problem. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.